What's going on? Today, guys, I'm going to show you 5 tools every car guy or DIY mechanic should have in their house, garage, or car. And they're all going to be either $100 or less. These aren't your basic hand tools. They're not going to be sockets, ratchets, all that stuff. We can go on for days about that. These are going to be the ones that are really going to help you out, get you out of that pickle, and just are good to have around. But before we get into it, I'm listing all these products below in the description. They're affiliate links. If you buy from there, you'll be helping a small channel out like me, and I really appreciate that. And number one is something everybody should have, even in the house if you're not even working on cars, and that is a good pair of nitrile gloves. Now, the ones I bought over here, they're textured, so they help with gripping, especially if your hands are oily or messy. They save your skin. It's just something simple and easy to have, and they're relatively cheap. I believe this one's a 100 count, and as you can see, I already opened up and I'm already using them, so well worth the money. Save your skin, save your hands, and prevents you from dirtying anything else. Next up is a magnetic tray. This will run you around $11 for a couple of them, and they're well worth it. You get to put your nuts or bolts, maybe even sometimes your sockets on there. And it doesn't matter if you kick them or just throw them across the shop. They're a good magnet, it'll stick to it. You won't have things flying everywhere, especially good for lug nuts too. It's just something good to have around. Stick it to your refrigerator. Possibilities are endless. Just be careful putting it on the side of car. Don't put it on any like painted car edge, because the bottom end will pick up metal debris and will scratch easy. But other than that, just a great tool to have so you don't go missing key components. Next up, we have a metal claw grabber. I mean, this one has a flexible body. It's magnetic on that side, and if you really can't get it, if maybe you're working with like an aluminum bolt that's stuck in the engine bay somewhere, you can use the claw. It'll grab it, pull it out. Really great for tough to reach spots like where you can't get your hands. And on top of that, this one comes with a light, so it's just 3 tricks in one pretty much, and it fits on the side of your toolbox. It's very easy, very cheap, probably $11 too, I think this one was. Won't hurt your bank at all, but it is worth it for when you drop a bolt or that 10mm in the engine bay and you cannot find it. Next up is going to be the most expensive one, but the most worth it one, and that is the NOCO Boost Plus. This is a jump box. This eliminates the need of jumper cables. And jumper cables, if you don't know what you're doing with them, you could actually destroy the computer of a car. It's very simple, especially with these new computers today. This one has no backfeeding. This one has safety features. It can jump a 6-liter V8 or a 3-liter diesel. Very powerful. I've used it a couple of times when my batteries died on the Tahoe. You can charge it in your car if you're going to pick up a project like I've done before that has a dead battery. It can charge your phone. It has lights. This thing is stacked. For $100, this thing is great to have around the house just in case you wake up one morning with a dead battery and you need to get to work. And finally, I think everyone should have this if you're a car person or not. With the information this thing can give, it is a bountiful, bountiful product. And that is the Autel AL519 OBD2 scanner. Now, I have something similar. It's a different company, and it's an older product. So the one I'm showing you is actually an updated product, and it'll read the newer cars. It has better software. But you can do things as read check engine lights, erase them. Sometimes that's all you need, but this one can give you data logging, checking emission cycles, a lot of key features that are just for 50 bucks. It's better over than like the $20 read and erase. I definitely recommend that. I use that all the time. It's just something good, even if you're not a car person and you're intimidated by, say, a mechanic. You can grab one of these things, plug it in. They're very simple to do. If your car is 96 and older, it's going to have one of these ports. You plug it in, read a code, and it will give you a display code, and you can easily, what you can do is go onto the computer, go onto the internet, type in the code, type in your car, and you can find, for any car, almost any car, someone that has these same problems, and just have an insight of what you're getting into. This way, when you're talking to a mechanic, he's not going to swindle you because you got just a little information. I have plenty of other tools that I can recommend, but I figured I'd start off with 5, and I've used these quite often. I use some of them every time I work on a car. They're just so beneficial, and they can help the DIY backyard mechanic car guy. So if you did like this video, please check out my affiliate links. If you got to buy something, do it with me. You'll be helping me out. I would love that. And if you got any tools that you want to recommend me and I can give it a shot and review, put it in the comments below. Tell me if you like these tools, if you hate these tools, if you have better tool options. I want to hear about it. And once again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.